Every autumn, I dread bringing in the houseplants from outdoors because they love it outside. And once I bring them in, the dry air in here dries them out and kills them a lot. It's very hard to keep them alive, except the cactuses, of course. Actual cactus, another actual cactus. One example is this, what I think is a Thanksgiving cactus. It was flourishing, had tons of flowers when it was outdoors. This Christmas cactus has been outside all summer long and it has never been this happy. Look at all those buds. I can't even believe it. I've only gotten like 3 flowers out of this plant and all the other buds keep dropping. I kind of don't want to bring it inside, but it's autumn. And then I had to bring it in and the buds have pretty much dried. It's just dropping buds. That is not a happy cactus. One of those plants is the Fiddle-Leaf fig that I made a video on saving it earlier this spring. A quick little update on the fern that I tried to save. It has new baby leaves. That's the one leaf that survived the transplant. Well, all the leaves fell off except for the top ones. The whole reason why I had to do that in the first place was because of overwintering it indoors. Since they don't like it so much, they just drop their leaves and throw a fit and die. So I brought in my fig among all the other plants and it almost immediately decided to shrivel up. It was fine outside. But this morning I looked at it and check this out. There it is right there. And I was thinking, crap, should I throw it away? I was wondering, because that's not a good look. But this morning, look, it's a little leaf. It's like a phoenix rising from the ashes. So cute. Look at that little leaf 3 days later. So I guess the moral of the story is don't give up on your plants, even if they are pretending to die.